How to add Google Maps location in Canva. I'll show you the easiest way to insert your business or any location, and even make the map clickable for anyone who views your design. First, open your Canva design and go to the page where you want to insert the map. Now move to the top left corner and click Apps. If you don't see it right away, scroll down until you find it. Once you're in Apps, click the search bar and type Google Maps. From the search results, select the Google Maps app. You'll now see a few map templates. Click the template you want to use, then drag it to the position where you want the map to appear. At this point, you'll notice the map displays a default location. Now, let's replace it with your own location. Open Google Maps in a new browser tab. Next, search for your business, office, store, or any location you want to add. Once the correct location opens, click the address bar at the top of your browser. Then copy the entire Google Maps URL. Now go back to Canva. Click the map you just added. At the top toolbar, click Edit Link. You'll see a default link already there. Delete the existing link. If you want viewers to click the map and open it directly in Google Maps, then paste the Google Maps link you copied. Finally, press Enter. After a moment, Canva will update the map and display your selected location. Your Google Maps location has now been successfully added to your design. If this tutorial helped you save time, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I upload simple step-by-step Canva tutorials to help you create better designs faster. Before you export your design, there's one important thing you should know. If you download your design as a PNG, JPG, or PDF, people will be able to see the map, but they won't be able to interact with it. You'll need to click Share. Then select Public View Link. Canva will generate a shareable link for your design. Anyone who opens that link can interact with the Google Maps location you've added. If you don't need the map to be clickable, simply click Share, then download and export your design in whichever format you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully added a Google Maps location to Canva, and you also know how to make it interactive when sharing your design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.